All right, here we have just in 2016 Kia Soul exclamation, fully loaded, Freedom Motors, handicap wheelchair conversion with a power rear entry conversion. This is a handicap wheelchair van. Beautiful condition, 43,000 miles, one owner, clean Carfax, no issues, no accidents, no stories. It is a fully power rear entry system. This vehicle also has an awesome feature. It does come with a driver's transfer seat. You can pull right in your chair. You can lock down right there in the position and scooch over to the driver's seat. I'll show you how all that works. Again, 2016 Kia Soul, Freedom Motors conversion. It comes with key fobs, remote start, power touch system. Thing is beautiful, 43,900 miles. It's just under 44,000 miles. We took this in trade. It's a beautiful little car. Got brand new tires. Condition is excellent inside and out. Gorgeous color combo, black with this beautiful brown leather interior. Navigation system, fully loaded, panoramic sunroof. It's just an awesome little car. Everything works, drives beautifully. We serviced everything. This thing is good to go. Clean Carfax, no accidents, no stories. It is a one owner Florida car, so no worries about rust. Beautiful, beautiful color combination. Nice wheels, brand new tires. We put these on, they're brand new. There's a few little bug chips in the front bumper from normal wear and tear, and a couple little things in and around the vehicle. Nothing really to point out that's really big. It's a tiny little mark here on the back bumper and a couple little marks on the back hatch, but I'm trying to point out anything I can as we try to fully disclose anything on every vehicle that we sell. That is a driver's transfer seat. Awesome setup. So you have the remote here, and this will slide all the way back on this track. So if you're in your chair, you can jump right over to the driver's seat and start cruising. So you got plenty of room here to get in and transfer. I'll back up so you can get a vantage point. This is a great setup. Again, all fully power. It's a great alternative to a minivan, priced to sell. As you can see, the seat is almost all the way back. You got plenty of room to transfer. You can recline this seat as well. The recliner has been moved to the front of the seat so that it could travel all the way back. So there's plenty of room, and you can even go further back here. So there's a lot of room. That's what you're looking at. Really awesome setup. Again, just under 44,000 miles, no issues, no stories, clean Carfax, runs and drives perfectly. Easy push button system, in and out, simple, get going, great on gas. It's a couple little marks here on the tailgate. Other than that, this thing is pretty much perfect. I wouldn't change a thing. It is in great shape, runs excellent. Slid back here in the transfer seat. Now I'm gonna push up. I am using the hand control. Fully loaded, navigation, premium sound. It's a sweet little car. 43,901 on the miles, no warning lights. Car runs and drives beautifully. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. It's what we do. We sell these new and used. We don't sell Freedom Motors new, but we are a Brownability authorized service center and dealer. We have about 100 different certifications to do adaptive controls, hand controls, seating options. You just let us know if there's anything we could do to help. We've been in business 49 years. We're in Boca Raton, Florida. We can ship to any destination worldwide. You don't have to use the transfer seat in this vehicle. You could just drive it regular. If you have someone that's a passenger, a loved one that needs to be transported, you can just use it for that too. So it's just a beautiful little car with wheelchair access. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. If you need any adaptive controls, hand controls, seating options, tie downs, you just let us know. We can handle it. We got some of the best techs in the world. So feel free to call us, 954-561-2499. You can text us to that number, ask for Jeff or Ken. Again, we've been in business for 49 years. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Follow us, give us a like, give us a follow.